Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how Deel works. So let's get started. First, Deel is a global payroll and hiring platform that helps businesses hire, pay, and manage employees and contractors from around the world. Instead of dealing with complicated international payroll and legal paperwork, Deel simplifies the entire process in one platform. To get started, create a Deel account and sign in. Once you're on the dashboard, you can choose whether you want to hire an employee or work with an independent contractor. Next, enter the worker's information, including their country, role, payment amount, and contract details. Deel automatically generates a legally compliant contract based on the local labor laws of the worker's country, saving you time and reducing compliance risks. After the contract is reviewed and signed by both parties, you can fund your Deel account using a bank transfer, credit card, or other supported payment methods. Deel then handles the payment process and sends the funds to your employee or contractor on the scheduled payday. Workers can choose how they want to receive their money. Depending on their location, they may be able to withdraw funds through a local bank account, digital wallet, PayPal, Payoneer, Wise, or even cryptocurrency in supported regions. If you're managing a larger team, Deel also provides tools for payroll, tax documents, time off, expenses, onboarding, and HR management. Everything is organized in one dashboard, making it easy to track payments and manage your global workforce. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.